enable and use fast wireless charging feature to charge Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra wirelessly faster, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery. Tap battery. Scroll down the screen. Tap charging setting. And then tap the gray on off switch next to fast wireless charging until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To use this feature, put your phone on a wireless charging and make sure that the center part of the back of your phone is aligned with the center of the charger so that the charger can charge your phone wirelessly. As you can see, your phone is now charging wirelessly using fast wireless charging feature. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.